What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Ladies, if you're new here, welcome. Ladies, if you already been here, you already know we're back with another wig. In today's video, I will be installing and reviewing this highlighted wig from UNiceHair. I absolutely love how this unit turned out, you guys. It's absolutely flawless. So let's get straight into it. So this is the unit straight out of the box. Look at those highlights. This is body wave. This is 20 inches. And it comes pre-plucked. And this is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. It does come with a adjustable strap. You have the combs, 2 combs on the side, one in the back, and some more adjustable straps here. I absolutely love this one, y'all. It doesn't smell. It's really soft. And the color is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So for bleaching, I'm going to be using this 30 volume developer and 2 packs of Clairol professional bleaching powder. And a mixing bowl with a dye brush. And of course you want to make sure you wear some gloves. For these baby hairs here that are kind of flying away, I'm going to take Ebin spray just to kind of spray and move it out the way so it doesn't get bleached. So this is what we should be looking like after we have sprayed the flyaways and baby hairs back. I do love the fact that they pre-plucked this unit already because I'm not a pro at pre-plucking or plucking in general, so this is a plus. These units are the best. It just makes it a lot easier for people who just want an easy install and just people that are beginners when it comes to wigs. So what I'm doing here is just making my frontal stay up straight, and I'm going to apply the bleach while the wig is in this position. So I'm going to mix my bleach with my powder, and I'm going to mix this until I get a thick consistency because I want it to only lay on the knots. I don't want it to bleed through the lace and bleach the hair, right? So yeah. And now I'm going to apply that all over that lace, kind of pushing it through just a little bit. Just a little bit. And yeah, we're going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. And I'm going to let y'all watch. So once my 30 minutes have passed, I'm going to begin rinsing this bleach out of the lace. It took really well with bleaching these knots. It did perfect. It wasn't over bleached. It's exactly how I like it. So what I'm doing is just going through checking to make sure that it's not over bleached nowhere, and just making sure it took through the whole lace. And I did go in with some Shimmer Lights shampoo just to kind of tone down the brassness of that bleach on the knots because I didn't want it to look too orange. So now I'm going to go in with some heating protecting spray and some BioSilk hairspray, and I'm going to begin drying this wig and basically just styling it. So once I'm done drying the hair, I'm going to go in and do my middle part and take a hot comb and just smooth out any bulkiness that is in the wig. I did forget to grab a wax stick at the hair store. I'm so mad because it would have laid a lot flatter than what it did, but we still got the job done. So make sure you use a hot comb to lay your wigs flat. I'm going to do my ball cap method. I do love Unice sent these wig caps. They are super thin and it's just really great for the ball cap method. So they are super thin. So to do the ball cap method, before I actually secure the cap to my hairline, I'm going to make sure there are no flyaways in the way on my baby edges or whatever, and then I'm going to pull it down and basically spray this Ib spray on the hairline. I cut out my ears first just to make sure the cap is, secure when I cut it. And yeah. So once that spray is dry, I'm going to cut off the extra cap. Kind of following my hairline. Mine don't be perfect at all. Just make sure you cut off the extra cap. And yeah. Now I'm going to go in with this NARS foundation in the shade Candlelonia. So once I'm done doing my ball cap method, I try on the wig to see if everything fits perfectly. Make sure the cap is cut enough back. And I'm going to cut off this extra lace first. Just to make sure I can see. And then I'm going to secure the back to make sure it's really nice and tight with the adjustable straps. And then I'm going to go in and cut off that extra lace. Kind of follow my hairline, cutting in a zigzag motion. I do not cut straight across and make no oval. That it just looks too unrealistic to me. So make sure you are taking your time and cutting off the extra lace to match your hairline. So after I have cut off that lace, I'm going to take whatever is left on that makeup brush for the foundation. Just kind of just pat that into the beginning of that lace to help blend it. I don't want it to look too, pale. So I'm going to add just a little bit of color with what's left over on that makeup brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Ebin Melting Spray and just lay that lace down. And what I'm doing here is basically taking my hair toothbrush and pressing that lace into my skin with that Ebin spray. You want to make sure you have it flat as possible. And what I'm going to do is pull out my baby hairs where I want my baby hairs to be. And yeah, take my hot comb and make sure everything is nice and smooth. So while I style my hair, I'm going to lay this around my edges. So for styling, I decided to add just a few little bit of layers in the front using my shears. And I'm going to go in and add some curls. So this is what my curls look like after I'm done curling. And I'm going to take my lace band off and I'm going to go in and just cut off the extra hair to make me some baby hairs. And I'm going to finish styling this wig. And yeah. So once I'm done laying my baby hairs, I'm then going to take my hands and basically just finger comb those curls out and making sure the curls are going in the direction that I want them to lay. Okay babe, so this is the finished look of this UNiceHair blonde highlight wig. Again, this was 20 inches. It's a 13 by 4 lace closure wig. I absolutely love how this unit turned out. From the curls to the frontal being already pre-plucked. Definitely brings out the skin tone. It is possible to make this a glueless wig install, but I wanted to go ahead and secure mine with just a little bit of ebony lace spray. Possibly do a half up, half down. So if you like this unit, I will leave the link in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video, babes and baby dolls.